Hi, so I'm back from work as I assume all of you, and so I'm just going to be doing a few quick things tonight. I'm going to be making some modeling chocolate in 3 different colors, and that's pretty easy. I just mix it and it comes together overnight, and then I can use it tomorrow. And I'm going to be making some gum paste, and that's it for tonight. And then tomorrow is a big day with carving and ganaching the cakes because tomorrow is my day off. Of course, I could save a lot of time by buying modeling chocolate and buying gum paste, but I'm used to my own preparation of modeling chocolate and the way it feels. I've been doing it for so long now, I'm just accustomed to it. It doesn't take very long, and since I don't make cakes that often, it doesn't make sense for me to buy a whole lot of modeling chocolate and gum paste and just have it sit around. Okay, so that's on tonight's agenda. See you later. Hi, so that's it for today. About 45 minutes, conservative estimate, to make the modeling chocolate and the gum paste. That wasn't too long today at all. So that was day 3. Tomorrow, day 4 is carving and ganache day. See ya!